of March kit called Let's Stick Together. And in the kit, you will receive, or you have received, 10 double-sided sheets of paper, 16 double-sided title cards, 2 exclusive designer templates. You will also receive a wooden word, which could be used as a title or as a sentiment and on a card. And you will also receive a package of not ephemera, I'm sorry. You'll also receive a package of enamel dots that match perfectly with all the muted colors that the Kiwi Lane papers come in for this kit. So let's start with the enamel dots. So that is the package that you receive, and you get 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You get 12 of each color, and there are 6 colors. And hopefully I am in frame. Yes, okie dokie. The 2 templates are a la carte dart, which is it's about 4 inches long and about 1 inch at the widest part of the template. And the other template you get is the a la carte cactus, and this one is 3 inches from the highest point by 3 inches on the widest point. I'm pretty sure of that. Yes, actually a little bit over 3 inches. It's about 3 3/4 inches tall. In the card set, you receive, let's see, is that in? Though she be but little, she is fierce, and it's in that little, I would call that like a salmon color, and blue in the back. And all the cards are double-sided. Have a fan cactus day, and it has the blue and greenish color. Hope your birthday is on point. The back is the salmon, and it's like a polka dot. Can't touch this. Super cute. Same background. Live the imperfect life perfectly. And it has the green in the back. This is the same background, and the front of it says, "Stand tall, be proud, you are amazing." Looking sharp. Oh, the back of that one is a very light beige color. Hard to handle. And the back of that is a blue. If you were a cactus, I'd endure all the pain just to hug you. Super cute. And that's a blue background. Now this one has 3 separate titles that you can use separately, or you can use it as a background, like a photo mat. Life is better, let's grow old, make us a cactus with the word the US as us underlined, and let's stick is the bottom one, and then the back is the blue and the greenish color. There's a lot of beauty in ordinary things. Same background. You are beautiful no matter what shape you are, and it has 3 different cactuses, 3 different shapes and sizes, and 3 different colors. And it has that color in the back, that orangey color. The No Drama Llama with the orange. May the llama of happiness forever spit in your direction. I thought that was cute. Orange background. Majestically awkward with a basket weave beige grayish color. Love grows here, and it has a little cactus, and in the back is also that gray color. So this is what your title looks like, and it is a wood veneer type title, and it is, let's see, a little over 6 inches wide, and from the tallest to the bottom of the G, it is 3 inches. So it's about 3 inches this way, 6 inches that way. So now we'll get to the paper. And in the paper, you receive from this design, remember they're all double-sided, so this one you get two, so you get, this is one side, this is the other, as you can see. Same thing with this design, and these are usually your backgrounds. So you get two of those, one of each, well, two of each, because again, that's the backs, same thing. Then we get one of each of these, and this is like that beige grayish color, and this light brown or tan color. You get this two different designs on one sheet. They're 6 inches each in width or height, and the back of that one is this orange. It almost looks like little arrows. You get this green on one side and this beige on the other. It's really cool pattern. It kind of looks very Southern Arizona-y feel to it with the orange basket weave. Here's another one that has has all the colors that are included in the paper, so it matches great with the light green. And then you have my favorite, which is the cactuses. And then on the back it's almost like a leaf pattern, and this light blue. So that's everything that comes in the March kit. And for the month of March, all the way up until April 1st, Kiwi Lane will be giving 25% off. You could save 15% off from Tiny Notions and the Chevron Fun Border. And that is item number 4222 and item 3942. And each kit comes with a QR code as well as a link in case the QR code isn't working or you don't have a QR reader. But it'll give you a link to the PDFs with all the ideas, and they even have videos of how to use your kit. I will be using this kit this month to create various projects. I hope you'll come back and check them out. If you're interested or if you have any questions, feel free to instant message me, DM me. You can leave me a comment, and don't forget to like and subscribe. We're almost at 500. I'm about a little over 100 away from reaching my 500 subscribers, and one lucky winner will receive a $50 gift card to my Kiwi Lane shop, and I will announce it when all the information for the giveaway once we reach 500. So I hope you have a lovely day. Make sure you come back. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Hit that little bell so you can get notifications of when I have new content up, and I will see you soon. I hope you have a great day.